Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SFMC Guru. So today I am going to demonstrate how to create sender profiles in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So before I go to a practical view of creating sender profiles, I will give a bit of information what is sender profile in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So a sender profile is a configuration object that defines email addresses and send name that you will be used for sending an email messages from Salesforce Marketing Cloud. It also includes additional information such as reply to address, bounce email address, and other settings related to email deliverable. So sender profiles is created at business unit level, that is in Email Studio. In each email studio, if you have multiple business units, so you need to create the sender profiles at business unit level. So which means that it can be used for any email messages that is sent from that particular business unit. So it is possible to have a multiple sender profiles within a business unit. So let's say you have account managers in your business and you have to send an email out with account managers' email address and their names. So obviously you have to create the multiple sender profiles for each account managers, for an example. When you create email messages in SFMC, so you can select the sender profile that you want to use in that message. This ensures the email messages is sent from the correct email address and correct sender names. So as I said, in the previous example, so you have the multiple account managers who are taking care of the business. So they want to reach out to their leads. So they can able to send the email out of their own email address as well as the send names. So either they can use the business name as the sender name, or they can use their own name and business email address to communicate with those leads. So sender profiles are a very important part of email deliverability, as they establish a trusted relationship between the sender and the recipient. So recipient in the sense your customers or your target audience. So by using sender profiles that is associated with valid email address and sender name, so you can improve the chance of your email messages will be delivered to a recipient inbox and not be marked as those email as spam. So sender profile will play a very major role. So you're seeing my sandbox instance of Salesforce Marketing Cloud, and I'm going to demonstrate how to create sender profiles. In order to create the sender profiles in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, the prerequisite is you should have a valid email address and it should be verified in from address management. So today I will go and just verify my email address in from address management. So I will just navigate to admin section. Once you reach to admin section, so it will give your Salesforce Marketing Cloud account settings, and it will give all the information about your business unit and what account name and what is your business unit number. So all the details will be visible over here. For my safety purpose, I'm just blurring out all the confidential information here in the screen. So in the left hand side, you will find from address management. So once you reach out to from address management, so you will find a button called add email address, or you can able to register the domain itself. So if you want to register your domain, so you need to update the DNS records in your domain settings. But here I'm going to just verify my email address. So for this instance, I am going to verify my Gmail account only for a training purpose. But if you are sending an email in the name of business, so obviously you need to verify your business email address. So I will click on add email address and I will click on sfmcguru.in@gmail.com. So I will just click on save. So here the status will show as pending. I am highlighting this section. So the status will show as pending. So you need to go back to your email. So you will get one verification email from Salesforce Marketing Cloud, if you can see here. So I will click on this and it will ask to verify the email address. We have to click this link. So I'm going to click the link which I got it in email. So once you navigate to that URL, so you will be successfully verified your email address. I'll come back and I will just refresh the same instance. So now my email address will be verified. So if you see here, my email address is verified now. So all set for to create the sender profile. So I will just navigate to sender profile. I'll give a name, SFMC Guru. If you here you need to come here and update your from name, what exactly you're going to send. So I'll send it in SFMC Guru. I'll give the email address as already verified email address, sfmcguru.in@gmail.com. So once you click verify, so Salesforce Marketing Cloud will refresh the same page. If it is already verified, it will give the status as verified. So next details what you have to update is the custom reply management settings. So so I'll give this one and I'll use if somebody replied to your email, so where that email should come. So I'll give SFMC Guru and I'll give the same gmail.com. Okay, I'll just save the settings. So this is how you're going to create sender profiles in business unit level, and this sender profile can be used to send an email from Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So this is a just email preview panel. I know the images are not visible because this is a sandbox instance. So I will just give my SFMC Guru at .com. See here, this is where you for a testing purpose, this is where you get a sender profile settings in preview and test. So you can able to test this particular email. So I will just send test and confirm the send. So now the test proofs has been went from this particular sender profile, that is SFMC Guru. In a moment you should receive an email from Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So thank you so much for your time and thanks for watching this video. I'll get back to you in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.